Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. Now guys, what we are going to teach today in our video is what exactly the secret to further extend the battery life of the phone we use. Before we start our video, just a little reminder first. This demo I am going to present is for Android users only. Now, the phone I used in this video is the Huawei Nova 7 SE. I preface now guys, because our video has features or settings that may not be on the phone you are using today. But, do not be sad first. Since almost all of our phones right now, its features and settings are not far different. Now, guys, the only ones we will replace with the phone you are using now are those features and settings that only exist on your phone. If you do not see something similar in your settings, as in our video, just skip it. Okay guys, let's not prolong it. Let's get started. First, go to our phone's settings. Make sure your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and your mobile data is always in off mode. Only open it when needed. But when it is not necessary to use it, let us keep it turned off. This is one of the ways to save our battery. Next is we go to display and brightness. Make sure this automatic brightness panel is always in off mode. Then, let's lower the brightness we just need. Next is the screen timeout. Here, I prefer to adjust it only in 15 seconds to 1 minute. Next is, make your phone theme on dark mode. This is one of the most important things that can always be turned on, so that we can save more battery. Next is, the screen resolution. We just need to put it in low mode. Okay, now, we just go to apps. Here we make our apps to stop from running from the background. Just open all the apps that you want to stop from running, then just hit the force stop. Now, click the three dots in the upper right corner. Click on Special Access. Open Battery Optimization. Then turn all your apps to allowed. Now, let's go back to the main settings. Then next, we go to the battery. All we have to do here is optimize our battery usage and set app launch management to auto. Let's turn on all our apps. Go back and click Finish. Now let's go to Location. Make sure this is always on off mode. Just open it when needed. Go to HMS core location and make this always turn off. Now, let's go back again on main settings. Now open accessibility features. Then open accessibility. Turn all this on off mode. Go back again to main settings. Open system and updates. Go and find the developer option. Scroll down until we find the window animation scale. Turn this 3D animation scale to off. But wait. Why developer option is missing? Okay, here's the secret to open your developer option. Just go back in main settings, and open about phone. Click the build number rapidly 5 to 7 times. Now, when you see this, you are now a developer, then your developer option is now activated. Okay, now, we're finished on our setup. But wait. There's one thing very important. Do this always. Before and after we use our phone. Always make sure that our recent running apps is not running in the background. By swiping all these recent running apps. And after we remove the rest apps, and finally, the last thing we need to do is to boost our phone. Just by clicking this. To get this boost tool, just pinch your 2-finger on your screen. Or just making long press on the screen. Then open widgets, and find the boost widget. Only drag the icon on your home screen. There you go. We're all finished. Note that we need to do it always. If we really want to extend our battery life. I know, it's a bit processable, but if we're always doing it, we can get used to it. Okay guys, so far our video is here. I hope it helped you a little. And hopefully, we will also share it with others, so that they also know what you learned in our video. Thank you. And let's not forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our next videos. Bye.